worked. I fixed my camera. Boom. Just.
Ang ganda ng ano ah. Ano to? Ang DJI? Ang ganda ng ano. May stabilizer yung ano niya. Ang ganda nung... Ang ganda nung stabilizer.
Guys. May naintindihan ka ba? Wala. Wala yun. Nandito si Jazz sa UTA kasi dito siya mag-aaral, hindi sa UTV. Dito siya sa UTA. Unboxing and cellophane. Uy, Philippines, hindi makita. Uy, Philippines. Hey. Hello!
What is that?
That's the camera! Oh, they can see you. We gotta go to the light. Hey.
Wow, that's very...
I'm sorry if you meant it that way. There you go. They can see you now.
Wow.
Say hi to the vlog. Stop doing that! There. Say hi, Jazz.
Gago, inan-follow ko siya, di ba? Putak ko na nag-request mo. Kaya hindi naman kami mag-cheers.
Cheers.
Let's keep going next trip.
How do you not know where this place is?
It's over here, girl.
I keep going here. I was like, this. Hey!
He hates you so much.
I don't know where the table tennis is at. I just remembered it was somewhere here.
TJ, chill. We'll go there like 10.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere at 10. I'm going home at 10. I gotta sleep.
No.
Everybody
We
got
don't need sleep.
You don't need sleep.
Yes, you do.
दोस्तों के साथ नहीं sleep गया था.
You think you're a friend?
Ah, what am I then?
I'm just kidding.
No. He hates you a lot.
He hates me.
Okay. I got my bedding. Oh, that's a lot. Oh wow, that's a lot. Hi guys, so today's date is January 27. I'm sick. I'm still sick, for real. And I'm going to my parents' house because I need to like do my car registration and I need my dad's help. But anyways, I did my makeup today. I just came out I mean, from my dance class, and yeah, let's go. I'm like so sick. Who was that? Who was that? What did she say? I just finished my first exam this semester. It's the physiology exam. And I barely studied, to be honest, but I don't know. I don't think I wouldn't say that I did good. I would say I did pretty much average. Cause like mostly it's just 1441 slash 1442. And like some of those are just the tissues. Which I pretty much know. So even though I didn't study, I feel like pretty good about my answers. But let's see. I'll know my score tomorrow. But the campus is so pretty. It makes me reminisce life in the Philippines. You know, this rainy tropical vibes. I love my university. Anyways, I'm going home now. Gonna take a nap or sleep for 2 hours because I really need rest. But yeah, exams, I don't know about it. Good thing I'm smart.
I'm recording this because I want to. I'm trying to cut the sleeves out, like this, sewed part thing. I'm gonna cut it out so that it will look like this, because it's gonna look awesome. There. Hello guys, I'm literally using my iPad for Flash. Anyways, today is February 5. It's 1:44 a.m. and oh, I forgot. I'm recording right now because I just want to say that I'm very grateful for this life, you know, being able to stress out, being able to study, being able to do school is such a privilege. And I was just doing my night prayer before I took the camera out, and I was like, yeah, I should vlog this because, you know, I have the feeling of being grateful as of the moment. I am always grateful every time, but like this time, especially these past week, I've been so grateful about my life. I've been reflecting a lot about my life. I miss the Philippines so much, so much. But yeah, I mean, missing something makes me, you know, look back to the life that I had before and compared it to my life right now. And it's bittersweet because my life before, I don't really have much going on, but I was happy and, you know, I was not rushed. My life is so slow, and, you know, I was just being creative. I would say, yeah, my life is very creative and slow before in the Philippines. But right now that I'm here, like, everything is rushed and time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm grateful because, you know, being or having a lot in my plate is something to be grateful for. It is a privilege. So yeah, I'm just grateful and privileged to have this life, you know, having, even though I would say that I'm so very busy, like having to study, having 19 credits at school and doing 2 jobs at the same time. I mean, that is freaking lot. And being able to at least, you know, I won't say excel because I'm not basically excelling, I'm struggling, but being able to manage those things and at the same time living my life, you know, being able to move out of your parents' house and just be independent. I mean, dang, that's a lot, girl. And I'm just so proud of myself. am proud of the opportunity that has been coming into my life. This job, this dancing job, I'm so grateful for it. And I know I should be humble and being able to put my feet on the ground at every time, and I always remind myself to do that. But I just, want to remind myself that this won't happen without me and without Jesus, of course. But I just want to tell you this too, that whatever you have in your life right now, it's because of the butterfly effect. It's because of you, basically. So every opportunity that comes into your life, go take it. If you don't have, or if you're not finding any opportunity right now, go look for it. I literally have a friend that is going abroad to reach her dream, and looking at her right now, I was like, oh my gosh. You see how the world can literally flip if you do something about it. And that going abroad thing, it's just her. She did it all by herself. And I am so freaking proud of her. I am so proud. We're big girls now, and I'm just so shocked of how my life, or our life right now, is so different 5 years ago. My classmates back in high school and grade school, and basically the people that I know in my life before, and they're freaking awesome right now. So yeah, this is just a reminder to be grateful of what you have right now, and what you have right now is basically because of what you did before. It's basically your past selves work. Your current situation is the fruit of your past self's work. It is the butterfly effect. So yeah, keep grinding. If you're being lazy right now, don't be lazy. Go wake up and grind that ass off.
I have a GoPro.
Say hi. Hey, that's Julian. Dab it. Oh, bro.
Julian's not usually a Filipino name. Yeah, that's what I said. What's your...
Hey vlog.
Oh, you want to...
Yeah, it's still going.
Bye, vlog.
Wait, capture me with my drink.
Go ahead.
I'm literally drunk out of my mind.
Like, half the people...
You are. I haven't vlogged in a while, gosh. But anyways, I just finished my first exam. Actually, it's not the first exam this semester. My first exam this semester was physiology, and tomorrow I'm gonna have my second exam in physiology. So yeah. Update. I am slowly dying because of the cold. It's so cold, guys. But honestly, this semester has been a lot, for real. I'm slowly getting there. My first exam was, I think it was by the end of January, and then after that I have my genetics exam. Every week, guys, I have exams, and this week is a lot because it's midterms. Earlier I just had my biostats exam, and then tomorrow, which is gonna be a lot, I have my second physiology exam, and then my lab practical, and then my physics exam. So it's a lot. Last night when I showed you the video of me studying, I studied for 8 hours, and I only gone through physics and anatomy mostly. Ooh. Haha. Hello vlog. Look at me. Alright, today I am going to San Antonio. Somewhere in San Antonio. Because we have a training. And I'm taking this with me because we're gonna have a dinner and the theme is country chick, but I'm gonna do more than that. Like, I'm gonna be all sparkly and pink. But oh, I need to put this because it's freezing. It's already like 2 p.m. something, but I'm gonna stop at my parents' house. I did my nails and I kind of like smudged it to like make it artsy, but it's not giving for real. Anyways, it's freezing, guys. Like, I'm all dressed up like just to be warm, but oh my gosh, where am I? So, update. I finished all 3 of my exams and I'm pretty confident that I did good. I think I'm gonna get A's on 2 of them, and at least I'm like kind of like iffy on the other one. I'll either get A or B or A minus, unlike the other one. But yes, I did good. And last night it was so fun because it was so crazy. And yeah, I will drive to San Antonio, and it's probably gonna be a 4-hour drive, but I'll stop by at my parents' house first and then at Buc-ee's because oh my god, what happened to my makeup? And then I'll go to Buc-ee's to like fill my gas tank because it's gonna be a long drive. I hope my car don't die on the road. Guys, look. Bath and Body Works. Tell me why I was just shopping or looking for one. I was just looking for one perfume. I was like thinking of buying just one perfume, but okay, restart. Guys, I went to Bath and Body Works, like that one.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left.
And I was only thinking of buying one perfume because I ran out of perfume. But this lady, she said, you know what? You can buy one. You can buy 2 and get 1 free. So like, okay.
Keep left.
That's a good deal, actually. So I went there and got
For about 37 miles, continue
3
straight.
perfumes now. 3 perfumes. Mind that, 3 perfumes. And then she told me again, hey, you know what? You can buy 3 for 3. I was like, oh, okay, let's do that. That is such a good deal. Like 3 perfumes and you got 3 for free. So you're basically paying for 3 and then got 3 for free. Blah, blah, blah. I was just basically saying the same thing. But I'm paying half of the price on those 6 perfumes, and I also got a gift card was given to me by my student, and I also got a reward because I'm like a new user from Bath and Body Works. So basically I paid like a third of it. For real. Hey guys, I am here at Buc-ee's. Let me show you. Yeah, that is Buc-ee's, guys. I'm by the gas pump, and I already filled my gas. Gosh, I paid like $30 for a full tank. I mean, Buc-ee's before, as far as I remember, like last time when I went to, I think it was Houston, but I only paid like 21 something, maybe because like the gas was just so cheap that time. But I only paid 21 that time, but now it's like getting more expensive. But yeah, I filled up my tank and I am going straight to San Antonio now, because what time is it? It's like 5 something. I gotta be there in 2 hours, so I don't know how much time till I drive there. 3 hours? Dang! I'm gonna speed, for real.
Continuing route to Whitewater Way.
I'm cooked.
Continue to the route.
There at 8. Shit. So, let's go. And yeah, I look so cute here, by the way. Look. Bye. I'll see you later. Hi guys. Life update. Life update, guys. I got into a crash. Bro, this is crazy. Look at my car. Oh my god, my poor baby. Oh my gosh. I can't even open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wait, can you see it? This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy. Now, I have a reason to buy a new car. Cause this is crazy. Guys, no. Okay, shoot. Cool. It's BMW. Hey guys. Alright. Oh. Can you see? This is my manager's car. I'm borrowing it for the meantime, because my car died. Anyways, I just got home from Plano after my dance training with Moose from Step Up. And he is so freaking good. He's so freaking big, and yeah, he's just awesome. I love him. I have a crush on him. Who's from Step Up? If you're watching this, marry me. I'm not kidding. Alright. I just need to take those things out and put it on my apartment. And yeah. See you later. Hi guys. Oh my gosh. I think the last time that you guys saw me, I was with my baby car. My first ever car. But I got into a crash and it really wrecked that car. The front bumper was literally out. Like my coolant is leaking and it's basically no use, and it's in Austin right now. I need to call the collision repair center tomorrow to I actually called them, but I need to call a scrapyard to take that car out. So yeah, I have to decide if I want to get that car fixed or buy a new car. And honestly, that car has been a money pit for me this past year, ever since I bought it. Like after I bought it, in just 3 months the coolant just started leaking and everything's just not good anymore, you know. If I ever get the car fixed, it's no use. I'm basically wasting money. Good news though, I got a car loan and I bought a new car. So oh my gosh, I didn't expect that I would ever get approved for a car loan because I'm just 21. I'm 21 immigrant who doesn't even have enough credit history to get a car loan. Do you know what I mean? But I got approved, guys, and yeah, I got a new car. It's a big girl car, and that means I need to take care of this. Cause like with my my EOS, my other car, I'll just shove around it because it's a pretty nice car, honestly. And yeah, this one I really have to take care of this baby. It has a sunroof still. It's not convertible anymore like my other car, but it's so spacious. And listen, I can freaking sleep in this car. Like, I can put down those the back seat and just make a bed in my car. So if ever I get broke and don't have the money anymore to pay for my apartment, I might have just to sleep in my car, okay? That's the idea. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm a big girl now. And yeah, I will definitely make a video about me doing a car tour soon. But right now I've been so busy lately. We have shows on my other job. For school, I'm so cooked at school. Oh my god, right. I just realized it's just my hormones, guys. I just realized that everything's falling apart. No, it's not falling apart. Everything's okay. It's just my hormones. Anyway, I'm gonna drive this baby around. It's so cute. It's so comfy. It's not like the typical SUV. It's an SUV car, but SUVs are tend to be so big. But this car is my size. Very cutesy. Let me show you the sunroof. And yeah. Let me see. I think this is the end of the vlog. Is this the end of the vlog? Right? Guys, make me famous for real. So I have the money to pay off this car real fast, like poop, 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 poop. So I won't be in debt. Make me famous. I love my life. Like, if I won't have this problem, then I'm not basically living my life. But I'm living it. Brand new car? Come on! Who buys a brand new car while in college? Immigrant girl who's just been in the US for 2 years. I'm doing great, right? I'm doing great. I am so awesome. Alright, I'm killing this life. Woo. No, I'm killing it. I'm killing it on this life. So, alright, bye guys. I'm gonna drive. Bye! Like, share, and subscribe.